Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making Oriental chicken noodle soup. This is a super simple and quick recipe, so let's get started. We have our Ichiban chicken noodles here, and we're just going to break these up and drop those in. So we're going to let these go for a couple of minutes. You can see they start to come apart on their own, basically. All right, now to this, we're going to add our carrots. We have some sliced bok choy. We have our cooked chicken that we've cut into bite-sized pieces. Add just a little bit of pepper here. All right, we're going to let that cook away for just a few minutes until our vegetables become a little bit tender. And then we're going to stir in our seasoning at the last minute. Okay, now we're ready to add in our seasoning packet. And we've got a little bit of sesame oil to round out those flavors. A good stir. I'm going to turn the heat all the way down now because the rest of the heat left in the pan will do the rest of the work, and we're just going to let this simmer for just a couple more minutes, and then all there's left to do is to plate and serve. And what I'm going to do, I took some of the tops of the bok choy, the leaves, and just sliced them up into thin slices, and I'm just going to put this on top as a bit of a garnish, but it's also good in the soup as well. So, but you're just going to add these at the very last minute so that they don't wilt. So as you're serving this to your friends and family, all you have to do is put a little bit of this on top, and that's all there is to it.